This video shows how to replace the heatsink cooling fan on an ODE 3 IP20 frame size 1 as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage to the plastics and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the cover, tilt the drive to one side and push the two tabs inwards. Turn the drive over and repeat the process on the opposite side. To separate the plastics, remove the fan from the rear housing. To remove the PCB from the front cover, push the plastic tab and tilt the cover forwards. Use long nose pliers to disconnect the fan lead. Replace the heatsink cooling fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.